Hi guys, my name is Tabish and you are watching this video on Tashify YouTube channel. Those who are new here, I just quickly tell about my channel that I post videos about lifestyle in Sweden and practical information about Sweden for those who are moving to Sweden or who are planning to move to Sweden as a student or for a job. Today's topic is very different. I'm gonna show you the Apple product prices here in Sweden because you might need to know that, because if you are moving here as a student or you want to buy a new laptop in your country and you are comparing the prices with Apple products, I think this really worthwhile looking at it. And also um, especially when you get a student discount here in Sweden. I think everywhere Apple gives a student discount. If you have an official Apple store in your country, you might get that student discount. So let's jump into that. This is a new Apple M1 chip MacBooks they have recently announced. Actually, what happens, Apple was using previously Intel based processors, but now Apple is moving back to their own produced silicon chip called M1. And the reason is that they are very good with iPad and with iPhone when it's come to their applications and their hardware. So in that chip they are claiming that it will consume less power, which means you will have more battery timing, you will have more efficiency, and they are also claiming that you will have more flexibility to use your iPad or app store apps on Macs. So yeah, but that's a completely different topic. Jump into the MacBook prices here in Sweden, and we go to the Mac section. Here they have this MacBook Air. Let me translate it into English for you because you might not looking it from Sweden. So here is a MacBook Air. The power is easy. The starting price on this is 12,000. 495. If we go on a buy section of this, they have different price levels. It all start from 12,495, and that is, by the way, including VAT. So if in some countries prices are displayed without VAT, this is including, so this is all you will pay. So and then if you go to 512 GB SSD, it's just increase in the hard drive space, and that then it will become 15,495. And so these are the end customer prices, and then if you apply it as a student, you will get certain percentage discount. But for that you have to show you're a student, so you have to show your student card or proof that you are a student. Let's get back to that. Then you have a MacBook Pro. So MacBook Air is for those who are not doing a lot of heavy computing tasks. They are using mostly Word and using their MacBook for browsing or for emailing. So MacBook Air is a very good device for that. But if you want to do some pro work, then you should go for a MacBook Pro, and that start from 15,995. It is including moms, and then if you increase the memory, if you see that here it is 512 GB, here it is 256 GB SSD. If you increase the memory, then the price will jump to 18,495 Swedish crowns. And then you can go even much higher processors. That is i3 processor, i5. This is an Intel based processor, and this is M1 processors. This is very new, a big hype about this M1 processors. And I would suggest, if you are going to buy a new Mac, go with M1, because then you will get a lot of flexibility to use iOS apps on your Mac also. And these MacBook Pros are also in two sizes. One is 16 inch, one is 13 inch. 16 inch is not available yet with M1. They are still with Intel processors, and that is like 30,092 crown. and 35,092. But this is not for, this is for those who are doing a lot of video editing, a lot of CAD work, CAD work, and a lot of high-end programs. This is for those pro use. Then you move to the Mac Mini, which I think is a very good option if you want to connect it to your monitor or with your TV and still have a Mac experience. They have two Macs with M1. One is with 256 GB and one is with 512 GB. One is so the lower capacity Mac Mini is 8,495 and the other one is 10,995. So then if we move further, what we have more here, you can choose what is the difference in different Macs. Then these are the MacBooks, and then if you want to have a desktop type like experience, like if you're not mobile, I mean most of the students are going to the campuses, so they need MacBook, but or some kind of laptop. But if you want to have a stationary computer, then you go for iMac. And iMac is a fantastic experience. It comes everything in this, and then you have a keyboard and mouse separately. It comes with 21-inch, 21.5 inch and 27 inch. I have been using 27 inch for so many years, and I would recommend to go for 27 inch because it's really nice canvas in front of you, a big screen. You can do a lot of multitasking on that. And if you go in the buy option of this in Sweden, it cost 21-inch cost from 14,000 to 19,000. And they are not yet with M1 processor, and then and I don't think so they need to go here in M1 because M1 main goal was to low power consumption and more efficiency. If you are using a desktop, you don't have that problem of battery saving. You are connecting directly to the wall outlet. But anyways, this is 21-inch, and then the 27-inch is 22,000, from 22,000 to 29,000 Swedish crown. Yeah, these are the prices of different MacBooks and iMac in different Macs in Sweden. Of course, you have a Pro version if you want to look into. You have Imac Pro also, and that is coming with I think it's coming with 5K screen. It's a very good screen, and they recommend it for those video editors and photo editors who need a lot of accuracy in the colors. But this is, if you are in that kind of business, this could be the good investment in your business. But the price is extremely high. It's almost 57,000 Swedish crowns, and so I will not see any student would need it. Then we go. Then we have another Mac, which is like a desktop PC, desktop style. This is Mac Pro, and they are also a pro level. This is very modular Mac. You can change many things. Before, in the past, it was not so easy in Macs. But if you go in the buy button, we are looking at the Swedish prices. So they are starting from 72,000 to 77,000 Swedish crown. Yeah, guys, if you are a student and you are planning to buy some machine in your country, consider this, that if you want to use a MacBooks, these are the prices here. Check the prices in your country and see where you get the best price. And also write in comments, write your country and model and the price there, so we can see that how the prices are varying. I don't think so it's a very big difference, but where they have official Apple stores. But if they don't have official Apple stores, might be the prices are high. Then it's much better that you buy it here if you are planning to buy Mac. Yeah, that was a quick video about MacBooks in Sweden and their prices. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel, and also check out my channel. I have a lot of contents now in English also, and hopefully you will like it. It's mostly about Sweden and lifestyle in Sweden. Yeah, have a good day and pray for me. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.